Oh yeah.
Alright, we got a little short video on here just to show you guys that I'm not totally ignoring the RM465, but I actually have been, but I do work on it. I plan on getting it going hopefully by spring. I don't have much more. I got the carb, old Lectron. I wish I would have took some video of it before I cleaned it, but all I did is I had my mineral spirits tank, and I had this brass little scrub brush, and I just cleaned it all really good with that. And this is what I got. I think it turned out pretty decent. It was pretty rusty before. It's a 40 millimeter apparently. 40 stamped on it all over the place. I assume they replaced it because the stock ones in 82 really sucked. They didn't have an idle circuit or anything like that, which is really odd, but that's what they did back then. So I got this all cleaned up. I just got to spray it out with some carb cleaner. There's really not a whole lot to it really compared to like a regular carb, I don't think. I mean, there's really no jets or nothing in it. So I did get a new float bolt. You can see the old one, pretty rusty. Nice new clear one. This one has a modern O-ring type design too. This is the old choke on it. It's all kind of dry and cracked, so I just bought a whole new one. The new one is a, where is it? It's just a pull knob kind. I could put this on there and have a lever style, but we'll see. Had to get new floats for it because whoever took it apart lost them. Here's the slide. Just got to clean that up a little bit. And got a new needle and seat because I filled this one up with the old one, and I don't know where it's at. But yeah, it didn't hold. It just leaked. So we're gonna quick assemble this thing, and I would say throw it on the bike, but we're not. So there we go. Do a quick breakout of all the passages. There's not very many ones. Power jet thing right here. A little orifice thing here that goes somewhere. Oh, that's choke one. I'll more fuel into there. Kind of the area, sort of. Well, there's really not a whole lot to it. I mean, quick get her going here. Oh, there's the old needle and seat. A little bit different. Looks like the little pin's still the same height. It's just that one has this protective like little thing around it. This one has all the little holes around there. It's supposed to flow more fuel. And it's this one little gasket. Once we do that, we can put this back on. Got some new screws for it. Oh, nice. Look at that, isn't that fancy? See it all in there working. And then once I get fuel in it out, might have to take it back apart and adjust it to where the fuel level is supposed to be according to the little sight thingy there. Next thing all we got to do is I can put this slide in. There ain't nothing to that. I don't want to put it all the way in anyway. Well, I shouldn't put it in all the way anyway. I got to take it back out to put the throttle cable on. Slides in. Actually, this carb looked really nice. There was no scratches on the inside of the bore or nothing like that. There we go, choke all installed. Next, put the idle screw back in. I need to get a new spring for it yet, but I cleaned up the little brass bolt. I just used the wire wheel on a bench grinder. So that just goes in there. This little one I need to clean up yet, but we'll just throw it on there for now. And we just covers up the power jet, I think they call it. There's a little jet inside there that you can change size. I think it's just like a high speed. Pulls fuel from the bottom of the float bowl up into there, and it just sucks it out and pulls out through that tube there. And there when there's enough vacuum, or I don't know how it works actually, so I'm not gonna say. So I got put the top on. Here's our skizzers. Little gasket. What am I thinking? New screws for that. I think I need to shorten them up. About too long ones. But you get the idea. So on this side, we got to run a line from for the power jet. So stick that on there. It's tight. And that just goes down to the float bowl. This one goes down there. Then that would get held like there. I'll shorten it up later when I get new ones of them. I don't want to put that on there all the way yet. So we'll do that. And then it just has a vent that goes down. And there you go, pretty much. Lectron carb rebuild. See it?